YouTubers, Bald Rhino back with another incredible box break of what I consider a very underrated product. This is the Topps Series 1 2018. In here you have the Ohtani, Devers, Albies, Walker Buehler rookies, and I think Soroka I think is in here as well. And so I think that I could be wrong on the Soroka, but you know, again, you don't come here for total accuracy. You come for entertainment and quality breaks and cards, my friends. Hope everybody's hanging in there, about ready to restart the world again. Who knows whether that's the right thing, but I don't know about you. I feel like I've been indoors for a year, so it's time to start. So, packs galore. Feels good to feel some packs. Boxes, this came out from Blowout. So normally I would not recommend buying cases or things like that from established dealers, because I have read on forums that once they pull the hot box or the cards they want, they know the statistics of opening up another one with good cards is greatly reduced, so they sell those boxes. And so your chances of getting a good card are dramatically diminished. So who knows, but we'll try it out on this box here, because I did buy a couple from Blowout. This is, ooh, there's Andujar. I mean, his shoulder's got to be Ace Frehley right now. Oh, here we go. Here's the card right now. So that's a Yachty relic. So that's the relic that comes in there. So that was horrible right out of the gate. But we did get an Andujar, Altuve, Cheater. God, I mean, just think, 2 years ago, Altuve could do no wrong, and now his hobby is dead. And, you know, I would sell Altuve and Bregman for just about anything, because their careers are over in terms of being respected. But you never know. I mean, I could be wrong. Things change. But there's JD Martinez. These are sharp-looking cards. I really like the 2018. Really do. Series 1. And, you know, you could get it so cheaply for so long. I mean, the prices are starting to go up. But amazing. I wonder how everybody feels about, ooh, there's a good looking card. Yeah, so that's a 63 of 67, our first numbered. Not one you want, for sure. Stanton. If I miss a short print, I'd appreciate it if people help me out here, because I'm not as familiar. They're sure easier to find the short prints in a jumbo or a hanger box, because you know it's in the center of it. I'm fascinated by all the guys sending cards to SGC. Now that PSA is open on a limited basis, Mike O did a break, and I could just tell that the resale and as hard as we're all trying to use SGC, I don't see it, but I could be wrong. For sure. I mean, the slab looks nice, but the resale is, you know, but, you know, the market's so small. Guys like Elite Co. and Filmington might be able to move the market. It's certainly worth trying. They're trying hard. It's a concerted effort that they're giving it a run, for sure. But I just don't think that the capacity, a lot of people don't understand the number of cards that are being submitted to PSA and the liquidity that's produced from something like that. You know, and everybody wants an Acuna rookie graded on PSA or PSA 10. They just do. And these modern cards are, PSA is the staple for them. But you never know. You never know. All right, well, nothing so far. And obviously got the relic out of the way early. Clayton Kershaw. There he is. Little goat. Man, I miss watching him play. Okay, when you get all those Harrison Baders, I could go my whole life without another Harrison Bader. You know what? It's a little joke. Gastro doctor, I forget what they're called now, but you know what he said to his gallstone? This too shall pass. So that's pretty good, huh? There's Paul Blackburn, rookie foil, not bad. Look for special home run cards. Nice. I don't know if that might be a short print. I'm wondering. That's part of the fun, though, is that you can spend hours looking through cards to find the short prints. Because I know I've certainly been one of those guys that's thrown short prints away on accident in the past. Well, some of these good cards better be coming along here pretty quick. There's a Verdugo. That's not bad. He could do well in Boston. He's got that attitude. He's like a Boston guy. Maybe they'll embrace him like they did Pedroia. You know, hustling, hard work. He can definitely play. Willie Calhoun, man, he took a ball to the face just before the whole thing was stopped. I hope he's doing better. So far, this has been kind of like eating roofing nails. But it only takes one card. You know, Devers Gold would be good. There's the Smoltz. I think that could be, I don't know, maybe short print. There's a Verdugo. Yep, what's fun about these two is you never know what cards are really going to be worth anything until 5 years later. I mean, there were people doing videos probably on the 2013 Topps Update that never thought Yelich would be anything, and he's, you know, probably the best ball player in the league next to Trout. There's Suarez, gold. Not the one you're looking for sure. About 250 packs left, so we'll see how it goes. JD Davis, that's not that bad. Goldschmidt, boy, does he need stats to make the Hall. Another home run challenge. Nothing there. Colton Wong, Springer. I used to love that dude. Man, I bought a whole bunch of his autographs. That was a good sell by the guy that sold it to me. There's Springer short print. No, I think that's the World Series card. I can't remember. There's Ryan McMahon, Trey Mancini, rookie cup. God, these cards are really in good shape. Carlos Correa. There we go. There's a good one. Bueller. Feel sorry for him too. That guy's got some real passion. I like Walker Bueller quite a bit. There's Brian Anderson, Woodruff, Strasburg. Stole the MVP from Soto. Oh, I think one of those Springers is a short print. Couldn't sell if you gave it away. You'd think that that kind of peer pressure exists in kindergarten, where everybody knows you're breaking the rules and nobody says anything. You wouldn't think it would exist in kind of a situation. God, I just can't stand all the Astros, but in an environment like that, you just think someone would say something. There's the goat. Nice. You just think someone would say something. I say, man, well, I know the manager, quote unquote, said something, but man, he didn't say something tough. There's a card I just sold right there. So, ooh. David Dahl, he's a good player. I wonder when the card shows are going to start. I mean, they actually stopped pretty late. So, I don't know. There's a Eric Hosmer foil. Troy Tulowitzki, the Hall of Famer that wouldn't be. Blanco, Nunez. There we go. So we got one of the key rookies, and there's Albies, who is always after that. And ooh. So there you go. An Albies short print. So that makes my day a little bit. That would have been great if it had been a short print for Devers, but that was pretty nice. Swanson. So I wonder what the Albies short print, rookie short print goes for. So that was kind of nice. Sweet. I was getting to think that this might be one of those oh shit boxes. But that was nice to get a little Devers. They're always back to back, but I've never seen the short print come. Hosmer. Cooper. I heard Velasquez plays in Japan or something like that. So boy, that Ozzy Albies short print, rookie short print is by far the nicest card. I wonder what that goes for. Now see, that would be a card I would never send to SGC. I would send it immediately to PSA, no matter how long the delay. And I would argue that right now, why not send it to PSA? You're not going to play meaningful baseball this year, likely. So most of the cards that you submit now, this is just killing me, is they're going to be back before you know it. I mean, people are getting their cards back. In fact, one of my orders that's at PSA did advance a stage recently. So they're doing something over there. And they have no intention of losing their business to SGC just because they got shut down. They'll unleash some specials and whoa, nice. Little Cody Bellinger. Hate to say it, but he's the real deal. Just a few packs left. I appreciate everybody hanging in there, but obviously the Devers, Albies, and then Albies short print was sweet. Zach Granite, rookie, Monica. Nelson Cruz, foil. Hosmer. I've got no Ohtani yet. So I kind of need the Ohtani to make the box a complete win on all the rookies, all the good ones. I think, well, I don't know. I'm probably wrong about Soroka. but Drury, Santos, Dominic Smith. That's our second one, I think. I think this, all in all, this is a pretty underrated set, and you can still get it very affordably. In fact, I think Walmart, you can sometimes find blaster boxes, unbelievably, that still exist, which is really bizarre. Arcia. Interesting stuff here. Lots of Astros. Oh, here's a relic. So I got 2 relics here. Wow, oh no, I don't know what that means. Something different here. Maybe an advertisement. Cases, Sale, Steven Schwarzberg, Alex Wood, Crush, Beltray. Yeah, this was just, I don't know, I didn't even know these were in there. Derek Jeter, Tops Now card. Somebody have to tell me about that. I didn't even know those were in the boxes. Like I have his rookie gold card, can't sell it. And I mean, I price them to sell them. Yeah, I let a couple of Bregman Pink go. And, you know, I'm just like, wow, are there really still Astros fans? There might be some closet ones. There's Greg Allen. Dominic Smith, or like 5th rookie of him. All right, 5 packs to go, my friends. Appreciate you tuning in to the whole break. I mean, these are fun to do. I'm learning more and more about what to say and do, or not to talk. Rosario, that's a good one. Bellinger, there's a good one. Look at that sweet cup. That one I might send to PSA. Jake Lamb. That was a good pack there. I like the Cody Bellinger with the, I think the PSA 10 of the Cody Bellinger on the, oh, there's another Jeter on there. Interesting. Severino, hope he comes back. Reyes. Freed. Ooh, Machado. Jack Flaherty, there's a good one. Ahmed, Buxton, and then it's a Bellinger or something, or I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, Cody Bellinger, Tops Now card. Wow, cool. Hope everybody's staying safe too. Oh, there we go. That was nice. Just sold one of these PSA 10s. Not just sold, it was a while back, but there you go. Judge, Daniel Murphy, best shortstop in the National. Story. All right. Last 3. Let's see what we can do. See if we can pull something amazing. No Ohtani yet. Trumbo. There's the card that everybody likes. And that's always followed by the Rhys Hoskins rookie. That's nice. Actually, all in all, not a bad box. Even if we don't get the Ohtani, there are some beautiful rookie cards in here. And that's the allure of the box. You get the cut cards for Judge and Bellinger, and then you get the rookies for some really good. So this product was kind of overshadowed by the update, but I think it's making some inroads with people. Urena, Nick Williams, home run challenge card. Randall, Cespedes. All right, one last pack to win the Ohtani. Otherwise, I'm curious what everybody thinks of the thought of the break, and I appreciate you hanging in there with a 20-minute video. Again, I thank God for the Albies short print, or I think that we'd have been in trouble on this one. Ooh, there's a gold of Volquez. Gardner. White Sox. So no Ohtani. But clearly this is the card that we enjoyed right there. So thanks for tuning in. Take care.